If you have an inflatable with one of these small motors and it won't start, you could try this. And now it's working. A little bit of an update to this video. The inflatable in this video is this 3-stack pumpkin pictured in this clip from our 2025 Halloween display. We used this trick to keep this inflatable going for at least 8 years. Unfortunately, the motor has given out by now and I had to replace the motor. All motors will give out eventually, whether that is 12 months from now or 12 years from now. But it was nice to keep the motor going with this simple trick for as long as we did. We have over 2 dozen inflatables we use this trick for, and we have been pushing the motors along on all of them for several years now. Here's another quick tip. If you plug an inflatable in and the lights turn on, but the motor doesn't, most likely the issue is with the motor and you will need to replace it. If neither the lights nor the motor turns on, then you might be able to use this shaking trick to get the motor and lights working again. Keep in mind, you might have to shake the motor for a good 15 to 30 seconds. If the shaking trick doesn't get the lights or motor working, then you might need a new power adapter. Important thing to note though, look at the information on the power adapter to see how many amps it provides. The new power adapter needs to supply this many amps or more. Never use an adapter that provides fewer amps, as this could start a fire. Replacing the power adapter is much easier. You just need to buy one that will work for your power cord, as there are different models and they aren't all compatible. Before buying a new adapter though, see if you can use an adapter from one of your other inflatables. If the new adapter works, then you know the issue is indeed the adapter. If the inflatable still doesn't work, then the issue is probably with the motor. I hope you have found these tips useful. If you did, then please consider liking and subscribing. And what the heck, since you're here, check out some of our other videos.